Hello friends, welcome to my channels. Today we are going to learn most expected questions in CSI or NET exam. Let's see the questions. Suppose W be a subspace of R4 generated by vectors 1 minus 2 5 minus 3 2 3 1 minus 4 and 3 8 minus 3 minus 5. Then which of the following statements is are true? Option number 1, subspace W has exactly 3 linearly independent vectors. Option number 2, 1 minus 2 5 minus 3 and 0 7 minus 9 2 are linearly independent vectors. Option number 3, dimension of subspace W equal to 3. And option number 4, B dash is 1 2 5 minus 3 and 0 7 minus 9 2 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 is the only extension basis of subspace W. Let us see the solution. First of all, we write the given vector in the matrix form. So we write the given vector in row wise. So that is first vector 1 minus 2 5 minus 3, 1 minus 2 5 minus 3, and second vector 2 3 1 minus 4. So 2 3 1 minus 4. Okay, and third vector, that is 3 8 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, now we will find the row reduced echelon form. So first we operate R2 minus 2 times of R1, just operating this. So we write first row as it is 1 minus 2 5 minus 3. Okay, now just operate. So R2 minus 2 times of R1. So in R1 multiply by minus 2, so this become minus 2 and 2. So first element 0 and multiply by this, so minus 2 and minus 2 plus 2 and 2 to the 4 minus 4 plus 3, that is what, 4 plus 3, that is 7. Okay, now next one, multiply this, so 5 to the 10 minus 10 and plus 1, that is minus 9. Okay, now next multiply by 3 to the 6 minus plus 6 and minus 4, that is 2. Okay, now we operate with R3. So R3 minus 3 times of R1. So multiply this 3, so minus 3 plus 3 become 0. So we multiply here first row, so 3 to the 6 minus plus 6 and plus 6 or plus 8, that is 14. And multiply here first row, that is 5 multiply by 3, 5 3 is 15 minus 15 and minus 15 and minus 3, that is what, minus 18. Okay, then come to the next element. So 3 multiply by 3, so 3 3 is 9 plus 9 and minus 5, that is what, 4. That is 4. Now we divide in the third row by 2. So 1 by 2 into R3. Okay, just write down the matrix. So we write first two row as it is, that is 1 minus 2 5 minus 3 0 7 minus 9 2. Okay, in third row we divide by 2, so this become 0 and 14 divided by 2, that is 7, and here minus 9 and plus 2. Okay, now see here, so these two row is same, R2 and R3 is same. So if I operate R3 minus R2, then third row will be 0. So just write down, we write first two row as it is, 1 minus 2, 5 minus 3. Okay, so 0, 7 minus 9 and 2 I have written as it is. Okay, now so R3 minus R2, so this become what? Third row 0, 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 9, so that is 0, then 2 minus 2, this will 0. Okay, so if we observe this matrix, we can see that there is only two pivot element, first one in the first row and second one in the second row. So these two non-zero row form a basis of row space. Okay, therefore we write here, since first two non-zero rows form a basis for row space of W, therefore these two rows, that is 1 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 0, 7 minus 9, 2 are linearly independent. Therefore we write 1 minus 2, 5 minus 3 and 0, 7 minus 9, 2 form a basis for row space. Okay, therefore these vectors are linearly independent. Therefore 1 minus 2, 5 minus 3 and 0, 7 minus 9, 2 are linearly independent vectors. Okay, therefore option number 2 is correct. Okay, since W generated by two linearly independent vectors, therefore dimension of W is 2. Therefore dimension of W is 2. Therefore option number 3 will be wrong. Since dimension of W is 2, so it has only two linearly independent vectors. So option number 1 says that subspace W has exactly 3 linearly independent vectors, so which is also wrong. Okay, now since any basis of R4 has 4 linearly independent vectors, two of which are 1 minus 2, 5 minus 3 and 0, 7 minus 9, 2. Okay, therefore other two may be taken as, other two can be taken as vectors 0, 0, 1 and 0 and 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, therefore these four vectors are linearly independent. Therefore these four vectors, that is 1 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 0, 7 minus 9, 2 and these two vectors 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. So we write basis of R4 is equal to, including these two vectors, that is 1 minus 2 5 minus 3 comma 0 7 minus 9 2, and next one 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, so basis of R4 is this. Okay, is the only basis for R4? No. Why is this so? Because if I taking instead of 1, if I taking another number, that is 2 3 or any number, so that vector is also form a basis of R4. So basis of R4 cannot be a unique. Okay, so we can say that this basis is the extension of basis. Okay, and this is not unique. This is the extension basis of subspace W, so which is not a unique. Therefore option number 4 is also wrong. Okay, so your correct answer is, so here your answer is option number 2, which is correct. I hope you like my video. If so, please like, share, subscribe and comment for the next video. Thank you.